Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Brex Cash login problems, account and permission errors step by step clearly. If you are experiencing login problems with your Brex Cash account, follow these steps to resolve the issue. Begin by ensuring your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. Check if the Brex website or app is down by visiting a site like Down Detector. Verify that you are using the correct email address and password associated with your Brex Cash account. If you are unsure of your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate a password reset. Follow the instructions sent to your email to create a new password. Once you have your new password, return to the login page. If you still can't log in, clear your browser cache and cookies, then attempt to log in again. Try using a different web browser or device to see if the issue persists. Ensure that you have disabled any browser extensions that may interfere with the login process. If you continue to face issues, verify that your account is not locked due to multiple failed login attempts. Contact Brex support directly if you think your account may be compromised or incorrectly flagged. Gather any relevant information, such as error messages, to help support resolve your issue more efficiently. If you receive a permission error, check if your user role has been assigned the correct permissions within the Brex platform. Ask your account administrator to adjust your permissions if necessary. Reattempt logging in after these adjustments and changes have been made. If all else fails, uninstall and reinstall the Brex app, then try logging in again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login problems with your Brex Cash account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.